Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Spotify application. Clearing the cache on Spotify can help free up storage and fix playback issues. So in order to do that, open up the Spotify application and log into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. In the expanded menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Storage, and then from the Storage section, click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache again to confirm, and right after you do that, this will remove temporary files but won't delete your downloaded music on Spotify. So that is how you easily clear cache on Spotify application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tutorials. I will see you in the next video.